In this video, I'm going to show you the technique of cooking wontons, which allows you to have a stuffing cooked to the heart with a wrapper not too soft. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by making the broth. For that, put in a pot 1 kilogram of carcasses or pieces of chicken, 3 ginger slices, 1 onion, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 3 liters of water. Bring to a boil. As soon as the broth starts to boil, skim it. Turn on very low heat, put a lid, and let simmer during the rest of the preparation. Cut 50 grams of bamboo shoots into small cubes. Boil them for 10 minutes. Drain them and rinse them under cold water. Let them drain. Cut 200 grams of thighs into chunks. Peel 250 grams of shrimp. Cut them into pieces. Peel 2 garlic cloves. First, blend the chicken with the garlic. Then add the shrimp. Briefly blend. Put in a mixing bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, ½ teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Vigorously mix until getting a sticky texture. Mince 3 spring onions. Also put them in the stuffing. Finally, add the bamboo shoots. For homemade wonton wrappers, you can watch my video to learn how to make them. Put 1 teaspoon of stuffing in the center of the wrapper. Fold to form a triangle. Press on the edge by making little folds to enclose the stuffing. You get the shape of a purse. Mince 1 spring onion and 10 grams of cilantro. Cut the bok choy into quarters. For cooking the wontons, cook them in 2 portions. Put the wontons in boiling water. Let them cook for 2 minutes over medium heat. Then add 50 centiliters of cold water. Turn on over high heat and let cook for another 4 minutes. The purpose of adding this cold water is to allow the stuffing to continue to cook without the wonton wrapper becoming overcooked and therefore too soft. Drain them and put about 8 wontons in each bowl. Blanch the bok choy in the broth for 30 seconds. Put it over the wontons. Pour 3 layers of broth. Flavor the bowl of soup with 1 teaspoon of fried garlic. Add the spring onion and the cilantro.
Bon appétit!
This soup is delicious. The wontons are tasty. We enjoy the texture of the shrimp, the crunchy of the bamboo shoots, and the broth is fragrant. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.